Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to share a really great app with you. This app will clean your phone's speakers and microphone, whether they're dusty or have water droplets on them. Basically, it will clean your phone's speakers, and if you have any problems, it will solve them and even increase your phone's volume by cleaning the speakers. The app is free. All you have to do is follow the steps explained in this video. First, to download the app, you'll find the link in the first pinned comment. This is the app. After opening it, my friend, if you see an interface like this asking you to subscribe, all you have to do is click the X and delete that screen, as the app is free. Then click here and let the app run until it reaches 100%. Now it will clean your phone's speakers, and you'll love this app.